In this video, I will show you how you can fix hanging or restart issue on Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix hang and restart issue in Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s, you just need to free some storage if your storage is full. And also in this video, I will show you 3 other methods to fix hanging or restarting issue in Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s. So just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.